Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. Now we're going to, not palindrome permutation because I'm not a premium member. We're going to missing number, 268 missing number. Given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range from 0 to n, okay, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. Okay, so if the range is free, then it must have 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and one of them is not there. Okay, I think this is pretty easy. I'm gonna make directory 268 missing number, code 268. Solution dot up. And I need to return the missing integer. Okay, I'm going to use this as an input. Seems pretty cool. So solution dot missing number of this. So first of all, we create we can create like a hash map. We need to iterate over the whole array and see if something is or is not there. So might as well I don't know. I can iterate over the whole array and look for numbers. Well, numbers? No, I'm looking for something that's not there. So, what if I just check the sum? So the sum, actually, okay, I think I got it. The sum of range of 1 to the, or 0, doesn't matter, to length of nums equals, let's say, x. Let's start with a simple one. 0, 1, 2. So the missing one is 3. So the sum should be 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6. Okay, I need to do length of numbers plus 1. So it should be 6. And then if something is missing, we just, okay, we do the sum of the other one and we just return the difference. So if 0 is missing, we know that the sum for the length of 3 is 6. So if 2 plus 1 plus 0 is 3, 6 minus 3, 3 is the one missing. So return minus sum of nums. I think this is it. Feeling confident, I'm just going to submit it. Okay, great. I'm happy. I hope you guys understood this thing. Let me just write another example. So if the range, if for 1, 2, 3, 4, the missing number is 0. We know that the sum of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 10. equal 10. So 10 minus 10, which is this, is 0, and 0 is the one missing. So it always works. Bye.